What's up, lads? Back at it again. Today I did a lot of shit, to be honest. Um, Morning I had a call with the WeChat girl I told you about, Sharon. Shout out to Sharon, she's the goat. And then I cleaned my keyboard, and then I am so close to finishing chapter 3, which is instruction languages. And then in the process of like learning more about it, I discovered this, which is so fucking cool to me. It's like you're kind of reverse engineering stuff. Um, but the problem is a lot of these crack me's are Intel architecture, but on my Mac right now, this one is M1, meaning it's ARM. Oh, see, you can't even see an ARM one. I don't even know if this matters per se. Um, but you can do a search, right? Let's do the easiest ones first, because I'm kind of ass with this. Let's do an ARM one. Platform, I don't exactly know if this matters, but if I just do this, right? Don't exactly know. Like this one, I prefer C++, but other ones fine. But let's just keep with the C++ first. But the architecture has to be ARM, right? Or else the program wouldn't run on my computer. Platform. ARM, Windows, how does that work? Don't exactly know how that works, but I assume a lot of the ARM ones, okay, let's just look, right? I assume a lot of the ARM ones would be for Mac or Unix, right? Surprisingly not. Surprisingly, there are only a handful of ARMs. I see. But I guess the conclusion does stand. Like 5 out of 7 ARMs that are C++. plus plus. Okay, let's see if it's not C++, plus plus, right? So just ARM. Still not that many, but Mac, hmm and then Unix. Okay, sure. I really want to give this a try, to be honest. Um, just to see what it's about. Cool. So if I go to like if I go here, right? Like I just want to see if this is ARM 64. There we go. So if I come back to here, then I can actually just do ARM and see what's possible. I want the easiest ones, right? Difficulty 1, sure. Which one do we want to do? Let's do the older one first, right? Because there are 3 write-ups, so I can check. This crackme has been imported from crackmes.com. Crackme, let's try it. Cool. Cool. Um, and if you look here, uh, you look here. The README says simple arm crack me. Get the flag without patching or modifying to the binary. Okay, I don't exactly know what this is. Um, Not this. This. Get the flag without patching or modifying or modification to the binary. Test it on ARM v7 emulator available here. Open link. Okay, so it's tested on this Ubuntu Linux virtual machine. Cool. Okay, whatever. So, but it still should work on my computer, right? That's the whole thing. Um, so if I try and execute this, what happens? Okay, just open it. I don't care. It's saying it can verify the manufacturer of this thing, so it's like being blocked. But I'm just gonna open it, right? Because boom. Hmm, just this formatting error. Format error. Huh. What does that mean? Okay. Maybe I do have to run this on Linux. So what I can do is what I can do is I do have a Linux container in Docker, right? Cool. Then open this in terminal. Open an external terminal. Cool. So if you look at here, like this is x86. Cool. And if this is x86, what this means is if I can somehow run my crackmes in here, then it should work, right? But the question now becomes, how do I get um my files in here? Okay, cool. So if I go to if you do cd, no, can I just go ls? Cd project ls labs. Oh, where am I? Am I not just at home here? Oh, the other all the other ones are hidden files. Okay. I mean, I can just, you know what I can do? I can create a new file within home. No, I'll just create it under this, I guess. I will, can I open file editor? No. Uh, how does this not work? Hmm. Okay. Wait, what the fuck? What's going on? Oh, they're so poor. Okay, so if I ls here, I'm at extensions and project, right? I'm here. I'm within the CS app file. You guys can't see this because it's in Docker. But what I'll do is I'll make dir, and then I'll go down and crack me side. Cool. So now I'll have a crack me file here. Cool. And then what I would do is I will download. I'm here. I'm back here. Okay. Oh, oops. I'll come back here. Search x86 C++1. There should be a ton here, right? Not that many, but sure. Let's find the highest quality one. Right, let's check this one out. Cool. Easy to break me. I want you to keygen me. Okay, if I download this, boom, open this, crack me dot one, crack me's dot one. Here's an unsupported format. Okay, cool. If I drag this into the crack me file, is this possible? Import. I want to import the bin file. A B C D F G H I J K keychain. Boom. Okay, it is here. Okay, cool. Now what I want to do is go back to terminal. Boom, I'm back here. All right. And then if ls here, cd into crack me's, not this, right? Then I keygen dot bin, give me a pass. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. Mm, cool. Don't really know how to use this. Give me a pass. Okay, so this is what I need to crack, essentially, right? I need to crack what the pass is. Um, 0. Cool. All right. So if we come back to the crack me, right? Mhm. Okay. Classic level one for beginners. Great. This is a great beginner level vibe. All right. Um, cool. How do I start? What I'm expecting myself to do would be to open it with some sort of disassembler and then look at um the assembly code, right? That's the whole point of me getting into this. It's because I want to practice my assembly. But to go into assembly, what I will need to do is actually not that simple, right? What I would need to do is I will first need to, okay, so I know there's IDA Pro, there's IDA Free. Is IDA Free any good? How does anyone actually afford IDA? Or do I just use the, Crack me's just assembler. Ghidra, right? Is Ghidra any good? Ghidra versus Ida. Free and open source. I guess I'll just use Ghidra. Whatever. I do like the Ida swag though. Okay, so how do I install this? I know it's written in Java, right? How to install Ghidra. Oh no. Okay, so how would I do this? Install a JDK. Brew install. Okay, don't exactly know how this works, but let's do it. Oh my, it's so slow. It is so slow. I don't know why this happens. Like, do I have to turn on VPN? I'm sorry, it might cut out because I'm turning on VPN now. Okay, did it cut out? I guess not. Let's see if it helps. Yeah, it's so quick. So why does it, why do I, why is it down so much quicker when I connect to VPN? That's something that I do want to know. That is very, very cool. That's pretty cool. Okay, now it's slow as fuck again. Why? I don't think it's this. I don't think it's this either. Because because sometimes I download big ass stuff on the internet as well, right? Much bigger than 200 megabytes. And then I get it like that. So it's not the size thing. 有部電腦
Microsoft Word 同埋 Excel。
做咩啊？咩意思啊？
唔係我部電腦冇 Microsoft，即係冇 Microsoft，所以做唔到啲嘢。
你攞？你用我，你即係話你要我幫你 crack，我幫你 crack 咗佢啊！
但我而家用你部電腦整嘅時候，
你整咯，
我 feel 個 point。
你慢慢。I really can't take slow download speeds, man, if I'm being honest. So even Canada doesn't work because I was just using a double VPN, Canada and the US. But now when I connect to only the US, it's super quick. Cool. Yes. Whatever. Okay, I've installed now. And I did install the Arch one, right? That's the Arch. Install Ghidra. All right. So let's go to the terminal. Not this terminal. I want actual terminal. Uh, not the Docker one. This is the one that's on my Mac. Um, and then I will do this command, right? Brew install cask Ghidra. Cool. Should work. Updating homebrew. Don't exactly know what these package managers do, if I'm being honest. But I guess it's kind of whatever. I just need it to be done. Caveats. Ghidra requires Java 17 plus. You can install latest version with this shit. I just installed the latest version. Ghidra is built for Intel Mac OS and so it requires Rosetta 2 to be installed. I don't have an Intel Mac. So this is the whole thing, right? Is to rebuild native binaries for ARM64. Is it done? Come on, show me the money. So if I do complete the crack me, then I wouldn't do the leak code. It is whatever. Okay, cool. Now Ghidra is installed. Rebuild native binaries. Okay. So then now I have to brew. Radel. Don't exactly know what that is either. Cool. C-line, and then I have to run the C-line command in terminal. What is the C-line thing? Okay, so it's a compiler. For sure I have C-line, right? Okay, yeah, for sure I have C-line on here. So I don't think I need to do that. Or maybe I do. I don't know. I'll just run it just to make sure. Why is downloading so much shit on here? What the fuck? What is this? Dum 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 da na 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 num na 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 mm, mm, mm. Cool. Mhm. Dude, why is it still not done? What the fuck is going on? I already have these things. Okay, whatever. What is going on? Dude, this is just the setup part. Come on. I'm not even at the actual sorting, like, sorry, solving part. What the fuck? Come on, bro. Why do I have to download Python again? I already have Python, no? You are not alone. What is this? Is this a dominant five? It's not working. There we go. Come on. Finally. Okay, cool. And then, okay. So, okay. Now, now what I have to do is I have to CD into what? Homebrew into task room into Ghidra into this into support, right? Okay, finally, I'm in support. And then I have to build Ghidra jar. Oh, no. Build. There's no build natives? No way. Bro, what the fuck? There's this. Ghidra jar. There's literally only this. There is no build native. Bruh, I got scammed out here. Build extension. Build this, build that. Okay, okay, okay. So this does not work because there is no build native. So Ghidra, Apple, Silicon, install. How do I do that? Cool. Will not copy Ghidra to your applications directory if you run it from the command line. You can either run it from the terminal or copy the script or locate applications directory and run it from there. Okay, I have that. Okay, let's try it then. Oh my God, I didn't CD back first. Okay, well, all that shit is in support now. It's whatever. And then so I should have this now. So CD into Ghidra. Hit install requirements. Oh, hit, what? Hit command out loud. Pip 3? Could it be pip 3? Oh, it might be pip 3 actually. Yeah, there we go. Um, okay. So I should go with this. Bro, what? Dude, I just have to install these two. Let me install those, man. What the fuck? Literally, what is going on? Why can't I do this? Why can't I do such a simple Simple command. I don't know what's going on, bruh. I don't know why it's not letting me do my thing, bruh. I don't get it. I don't get it. How do I do this? Homebrew, I already do this. I already did this. I already did this. Why is there no build native? Okay, let's try this. Uh, homebrew pass D CD CD support CD Gradle. Shut up. Okay. Okay, still don't have that. Does that work? Okay, let's see. Oh, let me show you what I'm doing. This is happening right now. Build successful. Cool. And then what exactly should I be seeing? So I built Gradle, and then hmm. Oh my God. Holy shit. Boom. Check it out. Check it the fuck out. Holy shit. Cool as fuck. Oh, oh, all right, cool. Let's go here first. Did you know in sortable tables you can sort on multiple columns? Okay, cool. Okay, it's just a bunch of shit. Okay, it doesn't end. Sure. Let's look at this. This is very, very cool. Okay. NSA reverse engineering software. Yep, it's uh national security research directorate. This assembly is what we're looking for. Into Ghidra help. Cool. Wow. The fuck? Yep. These are the files that we saw just now in the terminal. Docs, extension, Ghidra, GPL. Don't know what that is. License, doesn't matter. Server, support. Cool. Shell script. That's what I did. Um, That's what I have. You guys can't see it because I'm not sharing it right now, but mhm. Create a project or open an existing project. Once a project is open, Ghidra will display the folder and data that make up the project alongside the user's current set of tools. Of course, newly created projects will not contain any data. Data must be imported into the Ghidra product before any work can be performed. Importing data into the creates programs that your tools can manipulate. Cool. Cool. It's a bunch of shit. Oh my God. What the fuck? Okay, there is a lot to read. There is a lot to read. So I will choose to just get into it. The fuck? Ain't nobody got time to read this shit. Okay, cool. I'll just open, let's say, open new project, non-shared project, project directory, crack me one. Let's do that. No, I don't want that to be the directory. I want the directory to be, I'll open a new folder here called crack. Yes. I'll go into crack me's. I will put the crack me that I just downloaded into crack me's. Boom. Cool. So crack me should show up here. Boom. Yeah, that would be crack me one. Oh, wait. Rename this? Oh, disgusting. What is going on? Here we go. That is my first. Project name is called Crack Me One. Cool. Code browser, debugger, emulator, version track. Cool. Then, holy shit, there's a bunch of shit in here. Add this into here. Oh, no, 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 no. I'll add this to here. Import. Boom. Import summary. Imported a bunch of shit. Okay, cool. Little Indian. How much do I understand from here? Last modified, read-only, program name, language ID, x66, compiler GCC processor. Yeah, cool. Now I want to go here. What this is so ghetto, what the fuck? Program types. Oh, okay. Yes, please. Analyze it, please, sir. Show me the money. Okay, analyze is a bunch of shit. Oh, you can't see this, right? Okay. I'll go to code browser here. This is what I'm looking at right now. Cool. Very, very cool. First of all, I want this to be in dark mode, if I'm being honest. This is so bright. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my God. Can I turn into dark mode? Is it not possible? Is it not possible, fam? Okay, whatever. So this is it. Okay. What do I have to do? What the fuck do I have to do now? Okay. These I'm fucking with. I understand. This is so cool. What the fuck? Okay, and then I can search, right? For encoded strings, for strings, etc. Okay, so if we go back to yes, Kalima.
嗯 Not even that bad. Look, 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 look. 我哋有14幅相 send 咗個 brand note, not you. Not bad, right? 我睇下雖然係你影嗰個，你要望下。14幅 which is a lot. 叮叮叮叮，咦？呢幅唔計，呢幅唔計，呢幅都唔計，呢幅都唔係，呢幅都呢幅呢幅，咁14幅。
Well done.
跟住之後我做晒我啲 content creator 嘢啦，然後 sign 咗幾張 contract，整咗個 invoice，跟住之後我就見到 Olivia 從 online 綠色，我就 sorry，我要問啲嘢，其實我開始做嗰邊啊嘛，因為我見佢做 online，
嗯，
跟住之後佢就話I tried building it up，即係佢已經 build 埋嗰個 slide，
即係 Kalima。
哇！所以我而家 quickly 望一望，跟住我就已經知。
嚟咧。Okay, so check it out. So we go back to here, right? We go back to this, right? Give me a pass. Right? It says give me a pass. If I give it like Linus, right? Doesn't give me anything. So what I should do is I should search for this string, right? Pascal string. No, search for encoded string. Whoa. What the? Okay, no, no, no. Oh, encoded strings meaning it's encoded in another. Okay, here. Search for give me a pass. Right? No, nothing. Okay. Then it should be searching for strings, right? Word model. Okay, if I search for strings, here, here. But I don't want to do that. How do I just Control F doesn't do anything? Um, direct reference, no. Navigate, no. Form scalars, scalars, no, it's not relevant. Can you see what I'm doing right now? I'm sorry if my share screen is flying everywhere because like There are too many things right now. Okay, so let's just try and understand what's going on here, right? See, these ones I kind of understand. So these are the actual binary stuff. And these are the ones that we're looking at, right? So these would be the instructions. Um, I understand a little bit. I understand like move. I understand subtract. I understand add. I understand jump if zero. I understand call just now, right? Um, Thunk function, you know? Um, cool. I mean, um, but I don't exactly. Okay, I guess. So here, I want to see this. So DS, give me a pass. What does DS do? Right? DS x66. What's that? Data segment. It specifies the segment of memory from which data is accessed. You made it. Now keygen me. So here is already you made it. Now keygen me, right? Decompiler, no. Okay, if I undo auto analysis, this is what I'm stuck with, right? This is the actual code. Cool. I don't know exactly what's going on. It's giving me a bunch of random shit. Fuck. Okay, so now if I search for strings, what would happen? Oh, here, cool. So give me a pass. I don't understand. Honestly, I don't really understand. Because I don't even see the instructions that I'm familiar with, right? Like these. Is this it? So give me a pass. So what is this check key thing? Okay, cool. Okay, check key. Push, push, push. Load, load effective address. Boom, boom. Call, jump below equals. I don't really know what I'm doing here, if I'm being honest. Mm. No clue what is happening. Oh, fuck. What the f How? What? So www should be good. What the fuck? How? I don't get it. Hmm. Oh my God, what? Okay, so the skill is really just reverse engineering the check the check key function, right? Functions, check key, right? Just a bunch of shit. Namespace. It's a bunch of functions. There's main. I assume main would be where you start. You push, these are a bunch of registers, right? Move, keyword, pointer. Like, what the fuck are these things? And why can't I modify it? Give me a pass. Oh, put, and then do this, do this, do this. And then undefined check key. Jump if zero. Okay, okay, okay. So I wanna do something here. Can I not edit? Patch instruction, right? Maybe it's patch instruction. Okay, here we go. So if I do jump instead, right? Oh shit. Wait, what? What? No. Patch. JMP. Input. If I do this, right? Can I patch it? Import, batch, import, export. Export the program. Format in Intel hex, raw bytes. What I want it in? I want executable. Keygen test. Boom. So it's here now. And then I will remove the original one. I'll import the test one. Oh, it wouldn't work. It wouldn't work because now I'm jumping to exit either way. I'm jumping to exit anyway. So that wouldn't work. So what I want to do is actually patch. This will be this still, right? And then I want to go to the check key function, unassigned. So this actually checks the key. And there should be some sort of compare here, right? Jump to nope. What I wanted to do is always jump to yay. That's what I want. I don't actually know what's going on, if I'm being honest. Like if somebody could walk me through this, it would be so nice. Um, see, this helps a lot, I guess. Okay. But what if it's a check key function? Oh, now if you take a look here, and if you take a look at this, right? Oops. And if you take a look at this, hold shift to select multiple windows. Okay, I hope you can see both, right? What you can see here is how similar these functions are, right? Check key. So this is literally a screenshot of like L professor just screenshotted like this. Oh shoot. Oh my God. I don't know what happened. Fuck. Fuck. Okay, I'll terminate the Docker first. There's too many things going on. Okay, I'll open it back up. In here. Right. You can see like this is literally Like the markdown is literally a copy and paste. It's a screenshot of the Ghidra. And then he just annotated it, right? Is this how you do it? Is this the technique here? So you look at the function that you want to reverse engineer, and then you look at the decompiler, uh, like in Ghidra, and then you just write out the function. Is that the cheese? What is a string length function then? And what is this buffer? Okay, so this is one person's solution. I want to look at other people's. Wait, literally, why can't I close this? Okay, if I download somebody else's, let's see what they come up with. Let's check it out together. Mm, ELF. First, what the fuck is ELF? Selves. We have the following function, right? Cool. Doesn't seem too optimal. So cool. So cool. Um, don't exactly know how that works, if I'm being honest. So if I look back at main first, I mean, I understand more about how it works now. What is this? Oh, Um, so local 78 will be the password. So can I rename variable? Uh, yes, sir. 就是 Thanks. Night night. Okay, and then I go to check key, right? Can I do this again? Will that not be okay? Okay. So this is length of string. Is that what it means? Yeah, I think that's what it means. Okay, so I can go, this can be renamed to input. If user input length is smaller or equals to 7, then you're fucked. But if it's bigger, why'd I have to do it again then? I already have it. Is smaller than, this is 11. And this decimal, please. I'll return there. So this tells me, oh, comment and comment. So user input has to have length longer than 7. They're not actually as common in the code. Is that not possible? Oh, so it literally has to be this. Oh, see, it is pretty good. Yeah, I like that. I like that. I like that. I do like that. Yeah, okay. So I'll just go comment and then set. Right. Plate comment. What does plate comment do? Plate comment does that. I don't like that. If I do pre-comment, pre-comment does that. I don't know. Okay. Then local will be 20. While true, so this is the length. Uh-huh. If the length is smaller equals to that, I'll break. Oh, so there's end. Okay, I get it. I get it. I actually get it. Holy shit. Okay, so this is the index, right? So this would be the iterator. So there's sum of character. There we go. There we go. Holy, I get it now. Damn. So this check key, what this check key does, it takes a user input and then you will have a variable called length. You will have an iterator and you will also have a sum. All right, the sum will be 0. If the user input is smaller or equals to 7, then you'll just bounce it here and then you exit. If it is bigger than 7, but if it's bigger than 11, then you'll return here once again, and then you'll exit, boom, print note. So your first two condition is bigger than 7, smaller than 11. While that is true, you'll start at the iterator, which is the first element of the string. While it's true, your iterator, so you might think, wow, this is just an infinite loop then. No, because where you break is during here. If the user input length is smaller or equals to iterator, so when the iterator is equals to the end of the input length, then you'll break, meaning you've already seen all the characters, right? The sum of the character, which is zero at first, will be plus or equals to that element's ASCII. And then you'll go to the next iterator. And then you'll sum up all of it, and then you'll have the sum, right? And then if the sum is smaller, then it's no. But if it's bigger or equals, then you'll be okay, right? Then you'll return one. And then where exactly does this return to? This will return to here, or return to I there. And it'll return one if it's fine, right? Then you'll say, you made it, now keygen me. Holy Jesus moly. But I don't really know what the other ones are saying though, like these other stuff. Oh, this will be the pointer, maybe? Oh, he didn't even care about that. Okay, fine. Okay, fine, 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 fine. So you don't actually look at this. That's what I learned today. So this one, like, it's good for nothing, to be honest. It doesn't really matter. What you want to do is look at this, and then you write out the function based off this. Right? Cool. All right. I mean, I didn't JB today, but it's vibes. Like we be learning a lot. We do be learning a lot, so I'll call it there, lads. Yep. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.